So hi friends, so today we'll be going to have a review about that new margin calculations which is made by SEBIs, right? So margin requirements has been reduced drastically for the hedging positions. Okay, so SEBI have decided that from June 1st, so we'll be having a margins requirements will be lesser compared to the whatever the margins we have in a current month. Okay, so this is because like if let's say if you have a look at that iron counter strategy, so that will be having a defined risk. Okay, so even though if let's say for example you are going to have a maximum risk of only 10,000, but if you have a look at the current margin requirements till May 31st, right? So the margin required will be around 1.2 to 1.5 lakhs for Nifty. Okay, so even though we have a defined risk, we are paying an huge margins for that. So now SEBI had come with a conclusion that so they can have a margin requirements lesser for the hedging strategies. Okay, so we'll be going to have a look at that. So let's say we'll be going to have a look at the margins requirement using Zerodha calculator. So here you can see that so this is in Zerodha margin calculator page. So first I'll be going to show you guys the hedging strategy for Nifty, which contains both the futures and options. Okay, so I'll be choosing the Nifty of current week. So let's say I'm going to buy the futures. So here you can see that so the margin requirement for this is it requires like 1.34 lakhs. Okay, so I'm going bullish, but I have to hedge my positions on the downside. So what I'm going to do is I'll be going to buy one put options so that I'll be reducing my downside risk. So since now the Nifty is current trading price is at 9,580, so I'll be buying the 9,500 put options. I have been selected the net quantity and I'll be choosing the buy. So if I click on add, right, so here you can see that the total margin required is now reduced to 25,000, and it's we are getting the margin benefit of 1,09,000, right? But there is an so we need to know how to initiate the positions so that we can have this margin requirement. So first initially while I'm doing this future buy, right, so here you can see that 1.34 lakh. So while you are initiating the strategy, if you are first try to buy the futures, so the system doesn't know what you are going to buy next. So here we can do either I can even sell the call or sell the put, or buy the call or buy the put. So right, so the system doesn't know that what you are going to do next. So for the initial future sell, it will require like 1.34 lakhs. Okay, so I will tell you guys that how we can so we have got that we'll be needing the margin of 25,000 for that hedging strategy. So right, so I'll tell you people that how we can initiate both the trade only with having the 25,000. So if you do this futures, it will require 1.34, and after that only the margin whatever have been took from this one will get reduced. Okay, so I'll tell you guys. Okay, so now let's say I'll be going to initiate any credit spreads. Okay, so let's say Nifty is at the level of at the price of 9,580, right? So what you will be mildly bullish in let's assume that, so this is for educational, so I'm not telling you guys to initiate this trade. Okay, so let's assume that you are going to buy one 9,600 call option. Okay, so here you can see that the margin is 0 right now, but you have to pay whatever the premium is, right? So after that you want to sell the 9,700 call option so that you can collect some premium as well. So here you can see that, so once I click on that add, so if you are doing this initially, its margin is like more than 1.35 lakh, but after this new margin requirement you can see that with the amount of 14,000 you can do this credit spreads. Okay, so what we have to do is first we should buy the options, only then we should sell the options. Okay, so that the RMS teams of our current our particular broker will check that, so how much hedging is this strategy. So based on that particular calculations they will take us only the minimum margins whichever is required. Okay, so to get this margin benefits, you should not sell the options first. So always you should buy the options, after that you should sell. Okay, so that you will your initial margin requirement itself is 14,370 is enough for this particular strategy. But if you want to try this with first sell, and then if you want to buy the option, so initially it will require like more than 1 lakh, and after that they will release your margin whatever they have been collected first. Okay, so try to buy the option first, after that you can sell the options. Okay, so this is how you can get the benefits of the margins from the June 1st. Okay, and also my advice for you guys that, so since the margin requirement is lesser, so you should not do the trades with the more number of lots. Okay, so initially you can see that with the 1 lakh of a margin, your max loss will be like, let's say for example it's 5,000, so you'll be taking the risk of 5,000 initially, which is like 5% from your margin requirement. But now if you initiate the same trade with a capital of 14,000, and if you're risking the same with the 5,000, right, so your risking will be, you will be risking around 30-40% of the margin capitals, right? So if you do the over trade, so initially you can do with the 1 lakh, let's say for example you can do only one trade, but you can now do 4 trades, right? So initially you will be getting only 5% of the risk, but here you will get 30-40% of the risk. So wiping out the capital is more easy using this margin benefits if you doesn't trade with the discipline. So always please do the trade with discipline. So should not take multiple number of lots because of that because of the margins lesser requirements. So please keep that in mind, always doing the trades. Okay, so thanks for watching, and please do subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys.